Hi, in my new book, What They Don't Teach You at Change Management School, there's a big section about how I figure out what end users want. I talk about the tools that I use, and importantly I talk about how to take the outputs from those tools and translate those into actions to drive adoption and change. And part of that is about how to run scenario discovery workshops, what to get out of them, what you should expect, and how to translate those outputs into actions. There's detail on how to create scenarios with examples, and how to create personas for contiguous user groups, and what to do with those outputs when you've done that. It's something I get asked about quite a lot, so I thought it'd be worth going into great detail on how I do it. And I also throw in how I use design thinking and even gamification to help drive that process. Ultimately, it's all about talking to end users and being able to represent that in the change effectively. So if you want to find out more, look out for the book. It's out soon.